Hey guys! So I'm going to be doing another acrylic pour today, and I'm going to be doing, oh, my camera really doesn't like to focus on this. I can't decide if I need to get closer or farther away. Today the acrylic pour is going to be another flip cup, but it's going to be a drag negative paint, negative space painting, meaning that it's going to have a subject matter, but it's still going to have white around it as well. So let's get started. I have 3 of the same colors. Oh, come on now. 3 of the same colors. They're all different shades of red. And I'm going to start with black as a base. And then my dark red. My cherry red. And a light red, which kind of looks kind of pink to me, but it's red. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Let me wipe that off real quick. Just a little blob of paint. Having focusing problems, man. I don't know if it's a video day today or not. I'm gonna try though. This is like the 3rd attempt to try and get the camera to focus for me. And all these other problems are happening, like I just spilled my dirty pour cup. That's always nice. This doesn't really matter because there's going to be white all over it anyways. But anyways, add a little bit more of the light color because I spilled some. Okay. I'm gonna do a little mix. Hopefully my camera stays all focused. Okay. Now it's going to be a flip cup, as I said. So here's my little teeny tiny canvas that I have. Put that right on there. And then I'm going to put some white all around. And that's hopefully to create a nice base. So usually the white I would just put enough to cover, but now since it's part of the pour, I'm putting quite a lot to work with. I'm just gonna hold this. Oh, hold on. I'm going to, I already have some escaping the red. It's alright. It's the first time I've ever done this one, as you know, as I've shared. I don't know why it doesn't want to stay in the cup, but maybe it'll have some interesting results. See, the red isn't supposed to be out of the cup yet. That's okay. Nothing seems to want to work with me today, so I'm just gonna work around it. Get it to go the other direction. Sorry, I know I'm out of frame. Okay. Now, I'll lay that down. I already got all this red out and all over me as well. As I say, that's what the smock is for. Just wipe my hands off there. Okay, now I'm gonna try to drag this and see how that goes. Hopefully not very much paint came out yet. Okay. Well, it's not nearly as much negative space as I wanted, but it's pretty cool so far. All right, let's scorch it real fast. I got some nice cells. That's one thing that I really do like. Other than that, it's not how I wanted it to turn out, but that's fine. It just means I shouldn't have so much expectations, I suppose. Yeah, okay, that's cool. I think I'm gonna keep it just like that. And then, I'll be right back because there's one other thing that I saw that I wanted to try. Alright, so one more thing I wanted to try, which was to add some air effects, which I've seen people do with straw before, so that's what I'm gonna try today. I don't know how that looks. Oh, and you can't even see it. Looks kind of cool. Kind of smoky is what it kind of reminds me of. Like, it adds a really nice fade. Anyways, no, I was just thinking this harsh edge over here, I didn't like it that much. So I just wanted to try that a little. And it's interesting. Maybe I just don't know how to do it correctly. That's kind of cool. Well, it's definitely different than anything else I've created so far on my channel. Like this up if you appreciated this video, if you enjoyed it, and let me know down in the comments below if you have anything else you guys want me to try, and I would happily do that for you guys. This video definitely was a hassle. My camera kept dying in the beginning. It didn't want to focus. I hope it stayed focused this entire time. Paint spills and just one problem after the next, you know? So hopefully you guys still enjoyed it, and I really hope to get some feedback from you guys. So I would like some to know what you guys would like to see in the future. If you have any ideas for future projects. And just, I mean, altogether, I'd like to know if you guys actually enjoy these videos so that I can continue them or discontinue them, you know. Anyways, I hope you guys return and like this up, share it, comment, subscribe, you know, all that awesome stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Bye! Hey guys, so I put on the coats of clear spray. As you can see, it's nice and shiny now. And here is my 3 reds and black attempt at a pour and drag method. It didn't come out as I wanted it to, but still I think it looks pretty cool. I got some, I wouldn't call them cells, as more like a lacing effect right here. And that looks really cool. And then I just love how you can see the depths of the red. I really like, there's some nice cell action over here. And then whenever I was messing around with the air method, which most people use an airbrush, I think, but I just used a little straw. But in the end, it's not that bad. I think I like it. It's much different than my other ones, considering I'm getting out of the more natural blue-green colors. But yes, one day I will get a tub so that I can actually make much bigger ones, because I really do like how these are turning out. And thanks to the Floetrol, it actually doesn't take nearly as much paint as it looks like, because it looks like a lot of paint, but really it's just Floetrol with a little bit of paint mixed in. So, note for anyone who is interested in getting into pours, if you're scared like I was because you don't want to waste a lot of paint, really it's not too much paint, just don't go overboard. And then I suggest whenever you make one, I would make a couple at a time so that you don't waste any paint as well. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm so happy if you made it this far. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.